Welcome to our podcast, where we will be exploring the critical role of technology in private equity-backed manufacturing. Private equity firms are investing in manufacturing for better returns, but integrating tech across diverse portfolios is challenging. McKinsey notes that while digital transformation can boost productivity, many initiatives fall short. Technology is revolutionizing how firms manage their portfolios. Advanced tools streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency. IoT sensors and predictive analytics keep equipment running smoothly. However, digital transformation presents challenges like maintaining uptime and adhering to compliance frameworks. Integrating back-office systems across portfolio companies can be complex, but the right expertise ensures a smooth and efficient process. Cybersecurity is another critical area. Establishing uniform security standards helps avoid overspending and ensures robust protection. Technology also supports mergers and acquisitions by providing comprehensive IT support before and after transactions, ensuring seamless transitions. To learn more about leveraging technology for success in private equity-backed manufacturing, read the full article on our website and add this podcast to your Spotify playlist.